Hello, welcome to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a GL account in ELBS ERP. Go to General Ledger. Approach Account Maintenance. Click on the drop-down menu. Select Expenses Major Head of Account. Click Expand All. These all are existing GL account. Before creating a new GL account, you have to follow the next account code from the previous existing GL account. For example, if your previous GL account code was 629, your next GL account code will be 630. In order to do that, you have to select Expenses Major Head of Account. Then click on New Normal Account. Type in your new GL account code, 630 then 000. Give a name, for example, Audit Fee. Then click Save. Click Refresh button. Expand all. Go to the bottom. Check out the new code as created. This account is a parent account under the major head of account of expenses. Let's suppose you want to create a child account of any of the parent account. Like here in fuel expenses, you can see 3 child accounts. If you want to create any child account, make sure there shouldn't be any entry pass against the parent account. So I want to create one child account under fuel expenses. So there are 2 important things. Number 1, entry shouldn't be passed under this account. Number 2, we have to follow the same series. So you can see we already got 3 child accounts under 619003 is the last child. So select Fuel Expenses and then click on New Normal Account. Follow the same code as the child, so 619004. Give a name, for example, Vehicle Number XYZ789. Click Save. Refresh again. Expand all. You can see our new child of this parent account. This is how you create a GL account in ELBS ERP. Thank you for watching.